Hello everyone. So in this session we're gonna discuss about immediately invoked function in JavaScript. So let's take an example about it. Here is it. As you can see, we saw before about how to define a function. We just say function. Let's give it a name, maybe test. And inside the function body, we just say console.log. And here is it. We're gonna say hello. Correct? But guess what? This function, it will not work. It will not give you anything at all till you do one thing, till you call this function. Without that, your function, it will not work. So to call this function, all you have to do to come here and say test. At that case, you can find the output of this function, which is basically hello. Otherwise, you cannot see the output. That's why we got something in JavaScript called it Immediate Invoked Function. This function will call itself and it will execute at the same time. So how can we do that? It's easy syntax. All you have to do is before function you have to add this parentheses, as well after function you have to add this parentheses and open and close parentheses after the function finish. That's all. Yeah, look at that. Here is it. Without calling the function, he is telling me hello. That means it's working. That's awesome. We got a lot of scenario about how and when shall I use that function, and that one you're gonna saw it in upcoming session as well. You can find it in our React course.